Hey, this is BrainFriend TV, and today we are taking a look on the grid system from Bootstrap. And right now I'm on the website getbootstrap.com. I will put the link in the description below. And now we are going to read some parts of this website. So you can just simply scroll down or click on the right side on grid system, and here's what the grid system is. So a grid system is simply divided into 12 columns, and these 12 columns will change the sizes for each device. So Bootstrap is working with media queries, and as you can see, if your device is less than 768 pixel, then your Bootstrap thinks that you are using a phone and your website will look optimized for a phone. And then small devices are from 768 pixels to 1992. So this is for tablets, as you can see here, and after that there are two desktops, and the size will always change from your columns. And we are going to scroll down a little bit to see what the columns look like. And here we can see 12 columns just in a row, or you can use 8 columns and 4, or 3 times 4, or 2 times 6. And if I resize the window, so let's do that, you can see the columns will change the size as well. And this is very nice because it will later on look really great on small devices and on big devices as well. And we are now going to put a little bit of code in our last project, and we will see how this really works. So this is the project from last video, and in the last video I said that I will work offline, but I simply copied the code from the Bootstrap website. So if you want to work offline, just link your bootstrap min.css here like this. You will need to put the path of your bootstrap min.css here, and then it will work. So we are now going to use the grid system. So first of all, I'm creating a div with a class container, and in this container class I will put all the columns. So first of all, I want to have one row, so I create another div and call it row, and then we are going to create div tags like we saw here with col md6, right? So we are creating div, then class, and then we say col md6, and this is some content. I will you can put whatever you want into these columns, and then we create another div tag like that. So we have 6 and 6, right? So I'm going to save that, and then we are just look at our application website, and yeah, this hello world is all. We can delete that, or we are just let it there. And as you can see, here are 2 times or here is 2 times our content. So we resize now the window, and as you can see, now it's underneath and not next to. And if we resize it, boom, it's very nice. And if you using pictures or images, this will really look very nice on your desktop PC, on a tablet, and on a smartphone, and you just need to implement it one time. So we can change that to see the effect more. Now I use 3 times 4, and I'm going to create a small style tag so we can see the columns a little bit more. So I call that one, I create a class box, and now let's say border solid gray 1 pixel and background color. Let's choose aqua. I think you can see it very good. And at the moment nothing changes because we need to give this divs the class we created as well. So just put box here and do it for every class. Save this one and now open up again. So it won't open. Just wait a few seconds, and now we see here are our 3 content or columns, and we can resize that, and the columns will also resize. And now if we make this smaller, at some point it will be underneath, so like this, and that's very awesome. And the last thing I want to show you in this video is a short one. So we used a class called callMD4, and why is that? So let's take a look at Bootstrap website, and so we scroll up and we see the grid options here. So we used callMD for media devices, so the column width is about 81 pixel, right? If you want to make a website just for phones, then you will use call -xs and so on. So you can use everything you want. You could also use call LG. We can quickly do that. I just copy this small piece of code, and then I need to put in the number, so I deleted too much. So I just need to change 2 letters. So I save that, and now we can open it up again. So I just need to click there, wait a few seconds, and here we go. There's not much difference, right? So use what you think works best for you. And yeah, if you want to learn more about it, just read this website. It really helps. And in the next video I'm gonna to show you something about navs or navigation. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. If you liked this video, I would be pretty happy if you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.